It's spring. It's super bloom. There's more inventory. Interest rates are down. What happened first quarter? Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Lydia Gable with Compass, and I'm excited to be here in April talking about the first quarter update of 2019. Hard to believe the first quarter is already behind us, but we're seeing great weather, so it's a great time to give you an update of what's going on in the market. So overall, in the first quarter, you're going to see basically is our inventory is way up compared to last year. So this is compared to last year. Our inventory is sitting in Conejo Valley. Remember, Conejo Valley, Agora Hills, Westlake Village, Newberry Park, and Thousand Oaks. That's Conejo Valley. So inventory is way up. It's 28% up from last year. So this is our last year number. The number of escrows, 270, we're down 4%. Homes sold, down 3%. So that's relatively flat. So we've got more inventory than last year. Relatively flat with escrows, but definitely homes are taking 3 weeks longer to sell. So you're going to see kind of a pattern going on that basically we have more inventory, escrows being very flat, and yet it's taking longer to sell. So at the end, I'll kind of talk about what is that going to mean for 2019. So when we look at it by price point, look, we have 51 homes on the market compared to last year. There was only 16 homes. So under $500,000, it's still a pretty tight market. We have almost 2 months of supply of inventory. That's a really, really tight market under $500,000. But what you're going to see here is the number of homes sold. It's only 56 compared to 80. So what we're seeing happening is an affordability issue. So first-time home buyers under $500,000, it's really hard for them to come up with the down payment. We're just seeing homes slow down, and it's taking almost 35 days longer. So this is an interesting area to watch, where in the past we talked about anything under $500,000 being like popcorn. It's coming in, it's going off the market. We're seeing first-time home buyers being a little pickier, being a little choosier. Maybe prices have gone a little too high for over $500,000. So it's something we're really, really watching. Between $500,000 and $999,000, this is still a really great area. Inventory is relatively flat, up 8%. Get a little bit more on the market. Escrows, again, compared to last year, relatively flat. But homes sold were way down compared to last year. 13% down compared to last year. And again, the key here is 23 days. Over 3 weeks longer than last year. So buyers are taking their time. They're seeing inventory starting to climb a little bit. It's not a lot, but it's 8%. We're seeing, about a month and a half of inventory. Not a lot of inventory, but buyers are being picky. We've been talking about that. Buyers are choosy, they're picky, they're waiting for something to come on the market, and we're definitely seeing that because it's taking longer for homes to sell. This is interesting. This is what we're calling our sweet spot right now. Between $1 million and $1.5 million, we definitely are seeing more inventory. Look at that. We're all almost as doubled inventory from last year. That means all of a sudden sellers are saying, it's a great opportunity. Let's list their home. We have basically up 12% in escrow, but look at this. We're also up in homes sold. So that means potentially what we've been saying is the buyers are moving up, and so they're selling here, they're moving up because we have more homes that sold. We have almost double as many homes that sold compared to last year. So that's a lot, and it's 18 days longer, which is also not, less than 3 weeks. But that's a key number when you look at how much more inventory and homes sold. So if you're a seller right now, it's an interesting market to watch and say, is it a good time for me to put my house on the market? Because buyers are definitely buying based on how many homes have sold and how many are in escrow. Over $1.5 million, also an interesting story. Basically, our inventory is actually down. We had 161 last year, 114. We're seeing in this market A lot of people took their homes off the market when the fires happened, fourth quarter. A lot of people took their homes off the market. So it'll be interesting to watch second quarter. We have less escrows, we have less sold, but what's interesting is it's actually 26 days quicker. So a couple homes came on the market, they were priced right, they looked great, and they went really quickly, which is what happened here. But we're basically seeing here is, again, buyers can be a little choosier, homes are taking a little bit longer on the market. So, crystal ball, where are we for 2019? We've been talking about a little shift going on in the marketplace, and the shift isn't happening as quick as we thought. Couple reasons. Unemployment is great. Interest rates have actually dropped. It's a great time if you're a buyer. I mean, people are getting 30-year fixed loans for 3.5% on a jumbo loan. That's the best we've seen in 2 years on financial data. So buyers are basically saying it's a great time to jump in and buy. So that's what's creating the little oomph in the market that we saw in the month of March. So my crystal ball is saying for 2019, we're going to stay relatively flat. We think it's going to be a great second quarter. We're seeing April starting off very strong. We've listed a couple homes. We've gotten multiple offers. Buyers are out there. They want to take advantage of these low interest rates. We've got a lot of coming on the market. So I hope this is helpful information. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You know we'd love to help. We still believe pricing, staging, marketing, all key when you're going to sell your home. Again, have a great second quarter. We'll talk to you next quarter.